Now, a day after Union Environment Minister Jairam Ramesh slammed the faculty of the IITs and the IIMs for not being world-class, the IIMs have lambasted the minister, saying that his comments are ill-thought and unbecoming, as the premier institutes have renowned faculty.
The IITs are good because of the students, not because of the faculty or because of the research. There is hardly any worthwhile research output from our IITs. The faculty in the IITs is not world class. It is the students in IITs who are world class. So the IITs and the IIMs are excellent because of the quality of students, not because of the quality of research or faculty.
Coming out with simplistic statements that faculty haven't, done work. Now, if you actually look, a fairly significant part of the faculty in both IITs and IIMs would be having the same qualifications, same background as, let's say, faculty in the top class institutions. Which means they would have done their PhDs from abroad, the good institutions in India, and so on and so forth.
You must realize that the reason why people come to IITs and IIMs is, of course, because of good teaching. They get really good faculty here, go to the classroom and deliver, and that is why students come here, and that is why these institutes are so famous in India. Now, about research, yes, I do agree with Mr. Jairam Ramesh that we can definitely do better and do more research. But research does not come just like manna from heaven. You need to have a conducive environment to do research.
So the counter coming from the faculty of the IIMs and the IITs. However, HRD Minister Kapil Sibal has backed the Environment Minister and said that the institutes, had they been world-class, they would have been in the world's top 100 list.
Obviously, Jairam is talking about himself because he is a world-class student and he is a world-class, he's an IIT himself. So, so he has an insider's knowledge of it. मैं शिक्षा मंत्री हूं. देखिए, आज के दिन क्या सिचुएशन है? क्या कोई हमारी एक भी संस्था वर्ल्ड क्लास है? एक भी संस्था अगर वर्ल्ड क्लास है तो इट मस्ट बी इन द टॉप 150 इंस्टीट्यूशंस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. ठीक है ना? तो वो तो साफ जाहिर नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है? ठीक है ना? उसका हम एनालाइज कर सकते हैं.
First of all, allow me to state that insofar as the IITs and the IIMs are concerned, there is absolutely no question or no ambiguity about their contribution to Indian academia and even to building some of the finest institutions around the world. Mr. Jairam Ramesh, I do not know in what context, in what circumstances, has made a remark. Whether it has been taken in context or out of context, he is the best person to really be able to answer this question. But to respond to the Bharatiya Janata Party's snide remark about first-class ministers, etc., we do not really appreciate advice from third-class people as to who should be first-class and who should be third-class.
अभी एक वरिष्ठ मंत्री ने जो अपने आप से अपने छवि के अनुसार विद्वान माने जाते हैं, उन्होंने एक टिप्पणी की है जिसमें उन्होंने कहा है कि द आईआईटीज एंड द आईआईएम्स ऑफ इंडिया, आवर इंस्टीट्यूशंस आर नॉट वर्ल्ड क्लास. वेल, वी ऑल्सो रिकॉल दैट दिस पर्टिकुलर सीनियर मिनिस्टर अर्लियर had accused the politicians that they interfere and put pressure on him to get work done, to get clearances. कि स्वयं मंत्री उसी संस्था से पढ़े हैं. जो उनका ज्ञान आज दिखता है, उस पूरे ज्ञान में कहीं ना कहीं आईटीएन होने का भी एक स्वरूप दिखता होगा.